What's up, guys? Today this is another episode of Lost Reaction Season 2. Yep, this is going to be our final one. Everybody, sad. Today we will be interviewing Tweety Bird after his loss against Yoshi. So, Tweety Bird, how do you feel about losing? Good. Hey, only thing you need to lose with a pointy. Only thing you lose to a stupid little pointy. Yeah, don't worry, Tweety Bird. I ain't never gonna put him in a beatbox. Head probably in that beatbox. No. What's his name again, Tweety Bird? I don't know. His name looks complex. Lifter. I didn't understand him either.